Back up. Back up. Whatever you got, I need some of that.
You need something? Do you need something? What do you need?
Why you got a ring light?
I do videos.
You don't do videos. You do videos. You are amazing. Let me see your stupid ass haircut. That shit. Listen, I'm bigger than you. I do everything that you do.
Yeah.
I do it bigger than you. Give me. That's close.
You want me to call somebody for you? You good?
You man, English.
I don't speak English. Do you have anyone here around with you?
Yeah, I do. So they don't want nothing to do with you.
I need to take care of them. Do you need something?
I do.
What's up? What do you need?
I need a punch in your whole face.
Why?
Cause I got the same color.
You okay?
This is amazing.
What?
It's money talk. Money talks wireless.
Yes,
That's
what.
the fucking thing you doing. Money talks
Yeah.
wireless.
Do you want me to call somebody for you?
Nah,
Okay?
I want you to understand that I'm bigger than you are.
Yes, you are. Definitely. I need to take care of the other customer. If you want me to help you, I'll help you.
Mahiri. Alright, what they would need, so the thing was, yo, the fucking guy is money talk. That's a good ass.
Yeah. Okay. I need to take care of my customer. Okay, wait. I'll see you another time, okay?
Let's see this.
This is crazy.
Okay, so back to how long is that gonna take to get fixed?
Soon. Hold on. Let me send it. That is crazy.